Welcome to the Student Research Journal, published by the School of Library and Information Science at San Jose State University. Be a part of the SURGE experience as an author, an editorial team member, or a researcher. SURGE presents an opportunity for LIS graduate students to submit their scholarships to an extensive double-blind peer review process. LIS students gain valuable experience and thorough training on how to evaluate manuscripts. Researchers can avail themselves of scholarly research in the LIS field. SRJ is governed by SLIS students. SURGE's faculty advisor is Dr. Anthony Bernier. We welcome you to experience SURGE. Visit our website for more information.